Hi guys, it's Alex here with the Big Pixel. Today we'll be looking at our custom ITX shuttle build. We started off by choosing a case that was small but was inexpensive so that we could grind the whole thing to pieces. The graphics card in this system is a GTX 580 classified from EVGA equipped with a water block. We were very limited on what water cooling graphics card we could use because we needed it to be a single slot card. The GTX 580 is paired up with an Intel Pentium K Anniversary Edition so we can run it overclocked on water. All of the components are plugged into an MSI Z971AC ITX motherboard. The motherboard has support for USB 3 and has an onboard AC Wi-Fi card, so just what we need for such a small form factor. The first cut that was made into the case frame was for the massive GPU that spanned more than the size of the case, so we had to cut it in half and extend the case out to fit the gigantic graphics card. The next cut in the case that we did was for the GPU. Because the GPU was so large and had a water block on it, it did not fit into the rear I/O bracket of the case. So we had to chop away a little bit at the case to make it fit, as you say. The last cut that we made was for the housing of the PSU. Because the PSU is a full ATX power supply, we needed to cut a big hole basically in the back to fit it. The case is only meant for a standard power supply that comes pre-equipped with the shuttle. Don't forget to subscribe for the next instalment of the series, Part 2.